Dig deep like you are stalking your ex on social media.
Hold up.
Ever feel like investing in real estate is like walking through a minefield blindfolded? One, do your homework. Don't just buy a house because it looks pretty. Dig deep like you're stalking your ex on social media. Know everything about that property. Two, spread the love and money. Don't put all your eggs in one basket unless you want to make property omelets. Mix it up with different types of real estate. Three, bets. Handle with care. Borrowing money can be great, but so much is like eating a whole pizza by yourself. It will come back to haunt you. Four, save for a raining day. Because trust me, in real estate, it falls. Yeah, keep some cash stashed for those surprise repair bills. Five, make friends in high places. Get yourself a dream team of pros. They are like your personal real estate superheroes that will help you sooner or later. Six, stay woke. Keep your ears on the ground and your eyes on the market. Knowledge is power, my friend. Remember, investing in real estate doesn't have to be scarier than a horror movie. With these tips, you'll be a property mogul in no time. My name is Adoni. Kindly like, follow, and subscribe to this channel. I'm always here for you to give you property tips, advice, and share a whole lot about property.